Facing arrest can be a daunting experience, but knowing your rights and acting wisely can significantly affect the outcome of your situation. Here's a step-by-step guide on what to do if you find yourself under arrest in the United States. 1. Stay calm and remain silent upon arrest. It's crucial to remain calm and composed. You have the right to remain silent under the Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution. Exercise this right by politely informing the arresting officers that you wish to remain silent until you have consulted with your attorney. Point 2. Respectfully ask for an attorney. Invoke your right to an attorney immediately. You have the right to legal representation during any questioning by law enforcement. Clearly and assertively state, "I want to speak to my attorney." If you do not have an attorney, you may request a public defender. Point 3. Avoid providing information without legal counsel. Refrain from discussing the details of the incident or providing any explanations until your attorney is present. Anything you say can be used against you in court, so it's crucial to wait until you have received legal advice before making any statements. Point 4. Do not resist arrest. Resisting arrest can escalate the situation and lead to additional charges. Regardless of whether you believe the arrest is unjust, comply with the officer's instructions peacefully and without resistance. This can help prevent further legal complications. Point 5. Understand your Miranda rights. Law enforcement officers are required to read your Miranda rights before any custodial interrogation. These rights include the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney. If your Miranda rights are not read to you, inform your attorney immediately. Point 6. Provide only required personal information. You are required to provide basic identifying information, such as your name and address, upon arrest. Beyond this, exercise your right to remain silent until you have consulted with your attorney. Avoid discussing the specifics of the case or consenting to any searches without legal advice. Point 7. Remain cooperative within legal boundaries while asserting your rights. Maintain a cooperative attitude within legal boundaries. Cooperating with lawful orders, such as providing identification or allowing fingerprinting and photographs, can expedite the processing without compromising your legal defense. Point 8. Avoid making decisions without legal counsel. Refuse to sign any documents or make decisions regarding your case without first consulting with your attorney. This includes waivers, plea agreements, or any other legal paperwork presented to you by law enforcement or the court. Point 9. Prepare for the bail process. Depending on the charges and jurisdiction, you may be eligible for bail. Understand the bail process in your area and be prepared to request a bail hearing if necessary. Your attorney can assist in negotiating bail terms and ensuring fair treatment during this process. Point 10. Document the incident as soon as possible. Write down your recollection of the events leading up to and following your arrest. Document any injuries sustained and gather contact information for any witnesses present. This documentation can be valuable in building your defense.